Hey guys, Hugo from Toytec Lifts in Denver, Colorado. Today I want to talk to you about Swaybar relocation brackets. This is highly recommended if you have adjustable coilovers. This bracket, what will do, it will push the swaybar down and forward on your vehicle, giving you enough clearance on your adjustable coilover and the swaybar so they don't make contact. But on 2010 and up vehicles from Toyota, body and frame without KDSS, your swaybar is not perfectly symmetrical driver and passenger side. So this kit included a special bracket which will give you enough clearance whenever you turn driver side. But we also offer our Swaybar relocation kit for these kind of platforms, SBR-210-RSDK, which includes spacers for your radiator support bracket, which will help you gaining more clearance on the driver side. If you have any more questions, give us a call at 303-255-4959. See you soon, guys.